Huntington's disease is a deadly genetic disorder that is basically the progressive breakdown of nerve cells in the brain. Because it deteriorates the nerve cells in the brain, it slowly deteriorates a person's mental and physical abilities, being able to move or remember things, or kind of just going insane. Today there are basically 30,000 Americans that live with Huntington's disease, and 20,000 are at risk of developing it. So if you have Huntington's disease, your child will have a 50-50 chance of getting the trait for it. They describe having Huntington's disease as having ALS, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's all at the same time because of the physical deterioration and the mental deterioration. Symptoms include mood swings, personality changes, and depression. Also forgetfulness. Also, other symptoms are slurred speech, difficulty in swallowing or making any movements, involuntary movements also. Huntington's disease affects all parts of the brain, but certain areas are more prone to than others, like the basal ganglia. I think that's how you say it. It's like a group of nerve cells in the brain. In the basal ganglia play a role in the behavior and movement control of your body. So that's why Huntington's disease is more prone there, because that's what happens when you get it. All your symptoms are movement wise and mentally or mental. In Huntington's disease they have stages. So we have an early stage, which is basically there's subtle deteriorations that you can notice mentally and physically. The middle stage, which is when the disease becomes more of problematic for the person that has it. And in the late stage, you're totally dependent on someone else because you can't fully function as yourself anymore because of physical and mental disease. You can find out if you have Huntington's disease or HD by getting genetically tested. Also, if you are pregnant and you think your child might carry, or your child carries the gene but you want to figure out, you can do prenatal testing. So there is no cure for HD, but they can slow down the progression of it by using medications to help with mental, physical, and emotional disabilities that may occur.